What is still is easy to hold. What is not yet begun is easy to guide. What is delicate or brittle is easy to shatter. What is small is easy to scatter. Thus deal with things before they begin. A tree that you cannot put your arms around began as a small seedling. A multi-step terrace began as a hill of dirt. A journey of 1,000 miles begins beneath your feet. Notice how rushing into action can complicate things, and grasping too tightly can lose things. Thus, by not forcing things, the sage does not contaminate the natural flow. Since people sometimes spoil their good work just before it is completed or successful, the wise are as mindful at the end of a project as they are at the beginning. The wise do not attach to things, and thus there is nothing to lose. They desire the peace of no desire, and are willing to learn what needs to be unlearned. In these ways, the wise assist others in finding their true nature and in following the natural way of life.